Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove continue watching on Netflix directly from the Netflix app. So in here, I've already opened the Netflix apps on my computer, and let's open the profile first. Okay, so if you want to remove a certain titles you're continue watching because you don't want to watch it again, or you just want to declutter your continue watching list in here. So what you need to do is just go to the titles in here until this show up, and there will be this remove from row options at the bottom, this cross icon. You can click on that, and here you can choose the reason why you want to delete that certain title. For example, I'm going to just click on just cleaning up, and just like that, the title has been removed from my continue watching on the Netflix app. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.